Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down in order to find passwords and security. Now let's tap on the privacy, and as you can see at the very top of the list we've got the SIM lock section. Right now I've got only one SIM card inserted. Obviously this device have two different SIM slots, so if you will have two SIMs inside, then you will be able to see both of them. So just tap on the SIM you'd like to change the pin for, so let me pick obviously this one. And here we've got the change SIM pin option, so let's tap on it. Right now you have to enter old SIM pin, so let me do it and tap on OK. And right now we have to enter new one, so just enter the one you would like to use later on. For example, something like this. Tap on OK, and again, and OK. And as you can see, the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so which means that from now on, if you will restart your device, then it will require the new pin. So actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.